I recently received a master lock number 5 that I bought from Amazon. Wasn't exactly a surprise. Mechanism works okay. Rakes open quite nicely. Just make sure the pins are reset. And we got him open. Okay, that actually went quite smooth. Now the only trouble with this lock is that it seems to have an extra security feature. When I first, or one of the first few times that I picked it open, I managed to turn the core a full 360 degrees. I don't even know how I managed to do that, but it does cause some difficulty. Nevertheless, I would not buy a master lock number 5 to keep my things safe.